We all have a sweet tooth, and it can be hard to resist the temptation of sugary treats. However, a diet high in sugar can lead to weight gain. Fortunately, a simple solution to this problem is adding cinnamon to your diet. Cinnamon is a spice that has been shown to have a number of health benefits. It can help to reduce the spike in blood sugar that occurs after eating sweets. This is because cinnamon slows down the absorption of carbohydrates in the stomach, which can help to keep blood sugar levels steady. Try adding a sprinkle of cinnamon to your coffee or tea for a sweet and spicy treat. You can also use it in baking recipes, such as cookies, cakes, and pies. It is important to note that cinnamon should be consumed in moderate amounts, as high doses may cause side effects such as mouth sores, throat irritation, and allergic reactions. Adding cinnamon to your diet is a simple and delicious way to enjoy your favorite sweet foods while reaping health benefits.